Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to discover some awesome poster design tricks to level up your Canva game? Click the Create button and select Poster as your project type. Next, choose the portrait orientation for your poster. This sets up your workspace with the correct format, allowing you to start designing your poster with the desired dimensions. Type the topics or portrait style you want in the Templates field to customize your project instantly and easily. If you want to create content about ice skating, you can start by selecting this design template. Click on the template to open it. Once it's open, you can customize it to fit your needs. Edit the text, images, and colors to match your theme. Save your changes when you're finished customizing. To add a shadow effect in Zoom, open your video settings and look for the Effects section. Select the option for video filters, then choose the shadow effect to apply a shadow to your video feed. To add elements, look for the panel on the left side of your screen. Browse through the available options, such as text, images, or shapes. Click on an element to select it, then drag it into your workspace. To reduce the number of recommended elements, first locate the section labeled Recommended. Click on it to review the current list. To remove an element, hover over it and click the Delete icon. Repeat this process for any items you want to remove. If you need to see more of your workspace, use the Zoom Out option by clicking the minus icon in the bottom right corner. To add a new element, select the desired element type from the toolbar and drag it into your workspace at the desired location. After completing the previous steps, I created and formatted the text content needed for this section, ensuring it appears correctly and matches the overall project design. Once you are satisfied with your design, locate the Share button in the upper right corner of the screen and click it. In the drop-down menu that appears, select the Download option. Review the available file formats, choose your preferred option, and make any additional adjustments as needed. Click the Download button to begin saving the file. Your design will now be prepared and saved to your device. Increase the size as needed, then click Download. Alternatively, use PDF Print for batch printing if you need to process multiple files at once. Click the Download button to save the file to your computer. Now you're ready to design posters in Canva like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips.